Alright guys, so this is that steak. Look at that. Beautiful medium rare. This has got that charcoal. I mix whole wood charcoal and apple wood, and there's no beating this. That flavor. That smoke, that charcoal is just amazing. One of the shrimp. Mmm. That is a hard one act to beat. Mmm. No. I've been toying around with the idea of starting a cooking channel. And I'm actually really thinking about starting a Shepherd's Forge cooking channel. I've already been invited to another YouTube cooking channel. His name is, on YouTube, it's Villa Kinworthy. And this man is an excellent chef. I've kind of given him some things to try out on his channel. If you guys have a chance, if you're interested in cooking, if you're interested in doing, if you're a hunter and you do live game, this is the guy to really watch and check out. He and I are good friends. We've been working together for a while. He definitely wants to have me on his channel as a guest. I kind of want to wait till I get all my dental work done, till I get through my radiation. My speech impediment kind of subsides a little bit better. But I am definitely playing around with the idea of starting a Shepherd's Kitchen cooking channel. So if that's something that you guys might be interested in, please let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you. But otherwise, I'm going to get back to this steak and shrimp, and I'm going to devour that bad boy. So, from Heath here at Shepherd's Forge, Shepherd's Kitchen. I'm going to keep packing on those pounds, boys. Take it easy. Have a good night. Stay humble. Stay friggin' hungry. As I always am. Bye.